the Delhi police will not question Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's parents today in connection with the alleged assault on Aam Aadmi Party MP Swati Maliwal, is what sources have said. Now, according to the Delhi police, Ms. Maliwal in her statement said that Mr. Kejriwal's parents were in the house when she was assaulted last week. A political storm erupted when Swati Maliwal accused Mr. Kejriwal's chief aide Bibhav Kumar of assaulting her at the official residence. The police have taken Mr. Kumar into custody and are probing the matter. There you can see visuals earlier of Arvind Kejriwal and his wife accompanying the parents, and he even put out on social media that he hadn't received any information about whether the police was coming on the same day or not. Meanwhile, a BJP hit out at Arvind Kejriwal. Smriti Irani addressing a press conference saying that Kejriwal goes on campaign with an assaulter. Can he give justice to anyone?
The very fact that Mr. Kejriwal goes on campaign with an assaulter is an indication to you as to where Mr. Kejriwal's loyalties lie. With the assaulter in the company of Mr. Kejriwal, can you honestly expect him to do justice with anybody?
क्या हमारे प्रधानमंत्री इस हद तक गिर गए हैं कि बुजुर्ग और बीमार माता पिता को प्रताड़ित कर रहे हैं? मुझे नहीं लगता देश के इतिहास में राजनीति कभी इतनी नीचे आई। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी वो व्यक्ति हैं जिन्होंने खुद एक बेटा बनकर दिल्ली के हर बुजुर्ग को अपना माता पिता मानकर श्रवण कुमार की तरह उनको तीर्थ यात्रा करवाई।
Well, let's go across to Ishika now for more. And Ishika, it seems for today at least that questioning of Arvind Kejriwal's parents will not take place, though we did see these visuals of Arvind Kejriwal and his wife accompanying, the frail parents. Aam Aadmi Party also hitting out over this, saying that the elderly parents are being harassed in this case. The BJP claiming that Arvind Kejriwal is shielding his aide.
Well, yes, certainly, Gargi, as you rightly mentioned, the Delhi police sources have confirmed that today they will not be coming to the Chief Minister's residence to record the statement of Arvind Kejriwal's parents and his wife. Now, remember, yesterday, in fact, late night, Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, had tweeted out saying that Delhi police is going to come today to interrogate his parents. And in fact, he later in the day today, he also, in fact, posted, on X saying that, he is still waiting with his old parents inside his residence for the Delhi police because he has not received any official information regarding Delhi police not coming here today to record the statement of his parents. He also went on to say it was Delhi police who called his parents yesterday asking for a time today to record their statements, and the time was given, that was 11:30. But now certainly the Delhi police is not going to come today to record their statements. Remember, this was only after Swati Maliwal in her statement in front of the court had said that at the time of the alleged assault, Kejriwal's parents and his wife were present at the residence, and that is why the Delhi police was seeking time to record the statements of his wife and his parents. But today certainly that will not be done. We also saw today that senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party like Atashi, Saurabh Bhardwaj, Sanjay Singh, Jasmine Shah, all of them were present inside the Chief Minister's residence. We also heard Atashi, in fact, hitting out at the Prime Minister, saying, in fact, that this is, this is the new law of politics where now the Prime Minister is, in fact, harassing Arvind Kejriwal's old parents through his vendetta politics. So these are the allegations that continue to come from the Aam Aadmi Party. But just few minutes ago, all those senior leaders have also left from the Chief Minister's residence after it was confirmed that Delhi police is not going to come today. But the war of words also continue to intensify over this, Gargi, because we just heard the press conference of the BJP where in fact senior leader Smriti Irani is saying that certainly shows that Arvind Kejriwal cannot do justice to anyone if he is seen roaming with the alleged assaulter here. So certainly the war of words also intensifies over this issue. Over to you.